Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to take a closer look at the latest foldable phone from Vivo, the Vivo X Flip. With a foldable screen, powerful specs, and premium features, this phone has been turning heads since its release on April 28, 2023. In this video, we are going to explore everything that makes the Vivo X Flip such an exciting device to have. So, without further ado, let's dive in. Subscribe our channel. One of the most striking things about the Vivo X Flip is its design. When unfolded, the phone measures 166.4 by 75.3 by 7.8 mm and weighs just 198 grams. This makes it slim and lightweight, making it a great device to carry around in your pocket or purse. And when you want to use it, just unfold it, and you get a beautiful 6.74-inch foldable LTPO AMOLED display. The screen on the Vivo X Flip has a resolution of 1080 by 2520 pixels, and an aspect ratio of 21:9, which makes it perfect for streaming movies, playing games, or browsing the web. The screen is also HDR10+ certified, which means you get to enjoy more vivid and lifelike colors when you watch content that supports it. But that's not all. The Vivo X Flip also comes with a cover display. The cover display is a 3-inch AMOLED panel that has a resolution of 422 by 682 pixels. This is great for checking notifications, taking selfies, or even making phone calls without having to unfold the phone. The Vivo X Flip comes with a dual camera setup on the back. The primary camera is a 50-megapixel sensor that has an aperture of f1.8, a focal length of 23 mm, and 1.0 micron pixel size. It also comes with dual-pixel PDAF, laser UF, and OIS. The second camera is a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens that has an aperture of f2.2, a focal length of 16 mm, and a 106-degree field of view. Both lenses are equipped with Zeiss optics and Zeiss T-lens coating, which means you get to take amazing pictures with sharp and accurate details. On the front, the Vivo X Flip has a 32-megapixel selfie camera that has an aperture of f2.5. The camera also comes with HDR, which helps you take better selfies in low-light conditions. Under the hood, the Vivo X Flip is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset, which is one of the most powerful chipsets available in the market right now. It also comes with 12GB of RAM and either 256GB or 512GB of UFS 3.1 storage, which means you get to enjoy lightning-fast app loading times and plenty of space to store your files. The Vivo X Flip also has a 4400 mAh battery, which should easily last you a full day on a single charge. And when you need to charge it, the phone supports 44W wired charging, which means you can quickly juice up your phone in no time. The Vivo X Flip runs on Android 13 with Origino S3. The interface is sleek, fast, and intuitive, which makes it easy to use for both new and experienced Android users. The phone also comes with plenty of features like a side-mounted fingerprint scanner, accelerometer, gyro, proximity sensor, and design and build quality. 1. The Vivo X Flip has a unique foldable design with a hinge mechanism that allows the phone to fold in half, making it more compact and easier to carry around. 2. The device features a premium build quality with a glass front and back and an aluminum frame, which gives it a premium look and feel. 3. The phone is available in 3 different colors: violet, gold, and black. Display. 1. The Vivo X Flip features a 6.74-inch foldable LTPO AMOLED display with a resolution of 1080 by 2520 pixels and a 120Hz refresh rate. 2. The screen also supports HDR10+ and has a 21:9 aspect ratio, which makes it perfect for watching videos and playing games. 3. The phone also has a cover display, which is a 3-inch AMOLED panel that shows notifications, time, and other quick information. Camera. 1. The Vivo X Flip has a dual camera setup on the back, which includes a 50MP primary sensor with f1.8 aperture, 1/1.49 inches sensor size, and OIS, and a 12-megapixels ultra-wide sensor with f2.2 aperture. 2. The camera system features Zeiss optics and Zeiss T-lens coating, which ensures that you get sharp and detailed images every time. 3. The phone also has a 32-megapixels front-facing camera, which takes great selfies and supports HDR mode. Performance. 1. The Vivo X Flip is powered by a Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset, which is built on a 4nm process and is one of the most powerful mobile processors in the market. 2. The phone has 12GB of RAM, which ensures smooth multitasking and app switching. 3. The device comes with either 256GB or 512GB of UFS 3.1 storage, which provides fast read and write speeds. Battery and charging. 1. The phone has a 4400 mAh non-removable battery, which can easily last a full day on a single charge. 2. The device supports 44W wired charging, which means you can charge the phone from 0 to 100% in just under an hour. Software. 1. The Vivo X Flip runs on Android 13, which is the latest version of Android and is optimized for foldable devices like this phone. 2. The phone also comes with Origino S3, which is Vivo's custom skin on top of Android and offers a lot of customization options. Conclusion. 1. The Vivo X Flip is an excellent foldable phone that offers a unique design, premium build quality, and powerful performance. 2. The device has a great camera system, a beautiful display, and a long-lasting battery. 3. If you're looking for a foldable phone that offers excellent value for money, the Vivo X Flip is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching this